there, my name is Katie Martin. I'm the Workshops and Digital Resources Coordinator at DePaul's University Center for Writing-Based Learning, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about who we are and how we can help you with your writing projects. At the Writing Center, we work with everyone in the DePaul community, from first-year students all the way up through faculty members, and we offer feedback on any writing project at any stage of the writing process. We can offer feedback and support with brainstorming and assignment comprehension, researching and outlining, drafting and revising, all the way up through proofreading.
You can have up to 2 hours of time in our schedule per day and up to 3 hours per week. In order to make an appointment with one of our tutors, navigate to our homepage, which is depaul.edu/writing, and then select Make an Appointment. This will take you to our online scheduler. If you've never had an appointment with a tutor before, you'll need to take just a second to register for an account. Once you've created an account, you can log in with your email address and password. After you log in, you'll see that all of our available tutors are listed over here on the left, and any white space in the schedule is time that they're available to work with you. In order to create an appointment with one of our tutors, just select the white space that you'd like to book, and it will open your appointment window. You'll need to make sure to select an appointment type. We offer written feedback, online real-time, and face-to-face appointments depending on your preference. A written feedback appointment does not require you to be present during the appointment time. You'll simply attach a draft of your writing to your appointment. During the appointment, the tutor will take some time to write you some comments in the form of marginal comments and a summary letter, and then that feedback will be emailed back to you at the end of the appointment. Written feedback appointments are most effective when you have at least a partial draft of your project for a tutor to review. A written feedback appointment needs to be at least 60 minutes and can be as long as 2 hours.
We also offer online real-time and face-to-face appointments. During these appointments, you'll have the chance to talk to your tutor in real time, either by video chat in an online real-time appointment or in one of our offices during a face-to-face appointment. These types of appointments can be helpful for any stage of your writing process, but are ideal for brainstorming and talking your ideas out with a tutor.
They're also the best kind of appointment to make if you want feedback on and help with an e-portfolio or any other designed writing project.
Online real-time and face-to-face appointments can be as short as 30 minutes or as long as 2 hours.
We ask that you give us as much information as possible about the assignment that you're working on so that our tutor can give you the most effective feedback possible.
Regardless of appointment type, we can provide feedback on up to 4 double-spaced pages per 30 minutes. If you'd like to have an instructor or third party notified that you had an appointment at the Writing Center, include their email address in the appointment form here.
Select an appointment type. Give us as much information as possible about the assignment that you're working on, and then scroll down to the bottom of the screen, select Create an Appointment, and then your appointment will be made in the schedule. Once you've created an appointment, you'll see that it's listed here in green in our schedule, and if you ever need to edit it, you can always come back and select your appointment to make changes to that appointment form. If you need to cancel your appointment, please do so as soon as possible so that other writers may use that time.
Online real-time and face-to-face appointments are marked as missed if you do not cancel within 10 minutes after the start of the appointment.
Written feedback appointments are marked as missed if you have not uploaded a draft by the start of your appointment. If you have 3 missed appointments, your account will be deactivated.
If you have any questions, feel free to use the Chat with a Tutor function on our website during our open hours to talk to a member of our staff, or you can send us an email anytime at wcenter@depaul.edu. No matter what type of writing project you're working on or where you're at in your writing process, feel free to make an appointment with one of our tutors for help and support.